Your Audi has charging ports on both sides of the vehicle. You can use one charging port at a time for parking convenience. To open the charging port door, your Audi e-tron must be parked with the vehicle unlocked. Press the charge port door and it will begin to open. Then, plug in the charging cable. If delayed charging isn't engaged, the light will glow white as it communicates with the vehicle and then begin pulsing green when charging has started. The virtual cockpit, as well as the indicator light strip inside the car, gives a visual indication of charge level and that charging is continuing. To unplug the charge cable, press the unlock button, then remove the cable. The door will then close automatically or can be tapped lightly to then begin closing. To help preserve the life of the battery, charge to a maximum of 80% for normal commutes and only charge to 100% for longer journeys. This can be changed in the My Audi app or on the MMI display. Press the charging icon. On the Charging tab, press and slide the white indicator to change the battery charge percentage level. To schedule charging, navigate to the Departure Times tab, then add New Departure Time. Select a time of day and day of week. Then, choose whether to repeat this on other days of the week. Press Continue, then select which functions you want to enable at the departure time. Climate control turns on the air conditioning system, and the Charging tab allows you to set preferred charging times based on location of the charging station.